This type of fencing here is taking off. It's becoming pretty popular. Capture the mural. If you're interested in getting your facial hair dealt with and a nice haircut, check them out. It's beautiful back here. Love those purple flowers. There's a slugger bug. Well, I found out just recently that there's a hotel up there. It looks like these two are connected. You gotta capture that. That's beautiful right there. Ooh, finally got it paved. Guess they got it finished right on time for Independence celebration. Normally the Ferry Wheel and the Fiesta things normally are already out here equipment, but place looks sleepy, quiet. This is the McCall Park, by the way. That's the famous Norman Braster Stadium. Well, that's the fence. I guess now they need to finish the sidewalk along the Norman Braster Stadium all the way up to the Burns. They gotta do the same here. Too many incomplete projects. Making my way back here. Ooh, the sleeping sauropod is being dismantled. There's a section on the flatbed over there. I'm just coming down to record the progress that has been made. Ooh, they have some of the pylons in the river. And they have that side across there poured too as well. Like I said, a section of the sleeping sauropod got dismantled. It's on the flatbed over there. That's some family member of the iguana. Looks pretty awesome. They're replacing the low line one. It looks amazing so far. It looks amazing with the new height. Let's see if we can find and locate Hungry Hippo over there. I'm assuming that that's Hungry Hippo off in the corner over there. Give a hoot, don't pollute. Put trash in its rightful place. Approximately 2 weeks, I was in Belize City, and life is awesome, and the universe made that possible. I was able to link up and connect with Haylock. I think that's a family member. He lives in Belize City, but he said he's from the Cayo district. He lived in Belize for quite a while. And I was chatting with him and asking him if the bridge is named after one of his family member. And like how it has so many different names and stuff, um, we couldn't really figure out if that was accurate or not. But that's something that I will probably take under consideration and do some investigation and try to figure that out. This is also summer and wet season, all bundled up in one. We do work for like, shares, and comments. Cooling out. We do work for like, shares, and comments. Remember to subscribe to the channel as well. If you know any information and anything that you'd like to see, hit me up in the description. There's also membership available, and there's other little package that you can go check out in the about section as well. Right now it's summer is coming to a conclusion and rainy season has just begun. So the two has merged into one. And there was tension between the British and Maya once the British started to expand into the district that's currently known as Cayo district. Back then it was just the territory, then British Honduras.